What is solar water heater? Solar water heating is conversion of sunlight into heat for water heating by using a solar thermal collector. A variety of types are available at varying costs to provide solutions in different climates. Solar water heaters are widely used for residential and some industrial applications. A sun-facing collector heats a working fluid that passes into a storage system for later use. Solar water heaters are active pumped and passive convection driven. They use water only or both water and working fluid. They are heated directly or via light concentration mirrors that may concentrate sunlight into a smaller collector. Because of overusing of fossil fuel, there are a lot of diseases that we see in the world. According to World Health Organization, more than 80% of people that they live in urban areas that monitor air pollution are exposed to air quality levels that exceed the World Health Organization limits. While all regions of the world are affected, populations in low-income cities are the most impacted according to the latest urban air quality database. 98% of the cities in low and middle income countries with more than 100,000 inhabitants do not meet World Health Organization air quality guidelines. However, in high income countries has nearly doubled, with more cities measuring air pollution levels and recognizing the associated health impacts. As urban air quality declines, the risk of stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and chronic and acute respiratory disease, including asthma, increases for the people who live in this area. According to EnergyStar.government, 30% of normal people is spending just for water heating by electricity that made from fossil fuel, and it is about $2,060 per year. With all of these problems, we have a great solution that can reduce the amount of these problems as well. As the solution is solar water heater. Also, I made an interview about solar water heater and the problems that it can solve it.
Solar water heater یەکێکە لەو ڕێگا تازانەی کە بەکارەهێنرێ وەک جێگرەوەیەک بۆ سەرچاوەکانی وسە. کاریگەریەکی باشی هەیە لەسەر کارهێنەری بەکارهێنانی و دەبێتە ئەوەی کە گەلێک سوودمان پێ بگەێنن. لەوانە لە ڕێی ژینگەوانەیەوە ئەکات کە کەمتر پیس بێت و لە پاکتەمیزی ژینگە کاریگەری زۆرە بێ و سوودی لێبێنێت. ڕێگایەکی تر لەوانەیە کە سوودی هەیە ئەو سەرچاوانەی کە بەکارهێنی لە سروشتا وەکو گازۆیل کە بەکارێ بۆ دروستکردنی وزە پێویست ناکات زیاتر بەکاربهێنرێت. چیدی سۆلار وەتەرینێر هیتەر ئەتوانێت جێگەی ئەو بگرێتەوە و ژینگە پیس نەبێ بەهۆی و گازۆلین و کاسوتیا. وە سوودێکی کەشی ئەوەیە کە لە ڕووی مادی و پارەوانێت ئیسفادەی لێ ئەکرێت و قازانجەکرێت ئەگەڕێتەوانێ بۆ خەڵکی وە ژینگەش کەمتر پیرسەوێت.